Hello everyone, we are going to describe about Cloudera where the Hadoop is pre-configured. This is a virtual machine. So at first where you can find that one, this is the link and this is the version, and this is the latest version which you can use for. We are downloading the VMware version VM from here. This is the downloading file. Select the destination where you want to download that file. We are cancelling that because we already have downloaded. Now run the VMware station workstation. Open, go to file and open, then select that file you have downloaded, then import that file. We are cancelling now because we already imported that and create the VM. So we are starting that VM. The configuration we configured here is memory 9.2 GB and processor 2 CPU. This is the VMware. Open the browser and you will find the predefined or the bookmark links. These are the quick links. Now click on Cloudera Manager. It is trying to connect with the Cloudera Manager. Here you can also find the RAM, how much it's used, and 2 virtual CPU. You can also use the command to connect with the Cloudera Manager. It will take a few times for the first time. So we are opening the Hue. Then manage Cloudera. These are the input files which we are going to use for the applications. Uh, this is for the word count. This is the input. Now we are going to show how to run Mapreduce Job in Cloudera. For Cloudera Manager, log in with Cloudera username and the password is same as Cloudera. Log in and here you will find some all the modules. You have the predefined installations, everything, and you will find if there is any warning message, you will find over there. Now we will show how to run the Mapreduce job here. At first we will run one example Mapreduce job here. This is the word count. The command is Hadoop jar, then mention the jar, then mention the Hadoop location, where the jar file is located. Then mention which application you want to use. Here that application contains different jobs, so mention which job you want to run. Here we want to run word count. These are the jobs, it's listed over there. We will use that word count. So on that previous command we will mention the job which we want to run. This is word count. Then you have to mention the input file name, which is HDFS location. We already uploaded that file onto the HDFS location. This is the input file into the HDFS location, word count underscore input dot text. Then space, mention where the output will be stored. Here the output location named is output underscore demo underscore word count. Then press enter, the job will start. And you can check the job status from here. It's killed or failed or running or succeeded. Here our job is running, is showing the running status. And you can find how much it has done, like maps here 50% done, reduces 50% done, and after that you will find the succeeded status. Then here it's our output location, that one is output file, and you will find that word count is here programming 2 and is 2 on 2. We found that 2 and others are one single word. Now we will show you how we have done the another work. Is we will find the average, the maximum, minimum and average based on that input. The command is same. First you have to write Hadoop, then jar, then mention the jar file where it is located, then input, then output. Our jar file is in download location, so we are mentioning that path with the jar file name. Then we will mention the input file with the location name. This is the input location and the input file name. Now we will mention the output file location where the output will be stored. Our output will be stored onto that output underscore demo underscore assignment 2 into that directory. Press enter and the job will be started. Now we can check the status from here. This is the job name and it's showing the status is accepted. Now it's showing running. You can also check the job tasks, metadata, everything in details. What's the status, start time, in time, output size, everything in details here. So the job is successfully completed. We will find the output now. This is the output location and this is the output file. Here is showing the minimum CPU usage, maximum and average CPU usage. Now we will show you how to run that job into the ENCS environment. First log in with your ENCS username and password. You can use SSH, Secure Shell or PuTTY to log in. We have created a directory, its name demo, where we will upload the jar file and the input file. We uploaded those files. Now we will run the command. To run the command, first we have to load the module, the Hadoop module. The command is module load Hadoop. Then we will change the directory to demo. Now we are in demo directory. Now we will run the Hadoop command. It's Hadoop space jar space the jar file name, then space input file name, it's raw one here, then the output file directory where the output files will be stored after completing the job. It's done here. We will check the output files. The output underscore demo, then here the output, the maximum CPU usage, minimum and the average. This is the predefined Hadoop, pre-configured Hadoop VM, but we have also how to install Hadoop on Ubuntu. All the steps are mentioned here in that file. So if you want to install by yourself on Ubuntu, all the steps are mentioned here. You can check that if you want to install by yourself. Thank you guys. If you have any question, you can ask us. Thanks.